What if a single aircraft could replace an entire fleet? This is the Airbus A400M Atlas, one of the most versatile military transport aircraft ever built.
Designed to fly where larger transport aircraft cannot, the A400M combines strategic range with tactical agility. Powered by the world's most powerful turboprop engines in operational service, the Atlas delivers extraordinary lift and efficiency. Behind the aircraft's impressive exterior is a giant cargo system, designed to move an entire battlefield.
Unlike many transport aircraft, the A400M can deliver heavy equipment directly into forward areas, reducing the distance between supply lines and the mission.
The Atlas was engineered to operate from short and difficult airstrips, where traditional heavy transports struggle. At the heart of the Atlas is an advanced cockpit, designed to give crews maximum control in the most demanding missions. The A400M is not only a transport aircraft, it is a gateway that can place forces directly where they are needed.
Stand by! Check equipment! Go!
Unlike conventional heavy transports, the Atlas was designed to combine long-range capability with battlefield agility.
Modern military operations never stop after sunset. The A400M gives crews the ability to operate day or night in some of the most challenging environments.
Beyond transporting equipment, the A400M can extend the reach of other aircraft by providing fuel in the sky. By carrying fuel into the air, the Atlas helps combat aircraft remain longer in distant operational areas. In critical moments, the same aircraft that carries equipment can become a lifeline in the sky.
Away from battlefields, the A400M becomes a symbol of rapid response, delivering help when time matters most.
Every mission begins here. 4 of the most powerful turboprop engines ever placed on an operational military aircraft. These advanced composite propellers convert immense engine power into efficient thrust. This allows the Atlas to carry heavy loads from demanding airfields.
From frozen wilderness to scorching deserts, the Atlas was engineered to keep flying where many aircraft simply cannot.
Every decision begins here, where advanced avionics transform a giant military aircraft into a precision flying machine.
Precision is everything. Within seconds, the Atlas can deliver troops and equipment into places where larger aircraft would never attempt to land.
Thousands of calculations happen every second, helping the crew fly safely even in the most demanding conditions.
Speed on the battlefield is measured in seconds. The A400M is engineered to deliver an entire mission before the dust has settled.
Aerial refueling requires absolute precision, a delicate dance at 300 miles per hour. Flying low demands extraordinary precision, allowing crews to navigate difficult terrain while maintaining operational flexibility. One aircraft, one mission. A global reach that connects continents in support of militaries alike. Every mission depends on one question. Can the aircraft keep flying when the weather refuses to cooperate?
From frozen runways to polar operations, the Atlas is engineered to perform where extreme cold challenges every aircraft system.
Extreme heat tests every component, from engines to avionics. Yet the Atlas remains ready for the mission. Its true strength is not a single mission, but the ability to succeed in almost any environment on Earth. Every aircraft has its purpose. The Atlas was designed to bridge the gap between tactical agility and strategic airlift. One aircraft, countless missions. Designed to adapt, demands something different.
Every new upgrade ensures the Atlas continues evolving for the missions of tomorrow.
Across continents and across missions, the Atlas has become a trusted platform for modern military airlift.
Technology alone never completes a mission. Behind every successful flight stands a highly trained team. Built to carry more than cargo, the Atlas carries capability, resilience, and global reach. Some aircraft transport equipment. Others transport hope, endurance, and the ability to respond wherever the mission calls. The Airbus A400M Atlas. It is one of the most versatile airlifters. Engineered to deliver, protect, and rescue, it adapts to the world's toughest missions.
If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more stories exploring the engineering behind aviation's greatest machines.